Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess. Today's tutorial we'll be going over how to add credit to a Shopify customer. So first we will log in, then we will go to customers, and from customers we will choose the customer you would like to add the store credit to. Once their profile opens up, you're able to see on the right hand side the store credit section. Click edit balance. From here you can add a credit or a debit. Your currency is locked to your store details. Then you will add the amount. Then you have the option of adding an expiration date to the store credit. If you don't want an expiration date, then leave it as no expiration. If you want to set one, select here and then select your date. Then click review changes. From there, you'll look at the summary, sees we are adding $10 to this customer, and then we'll click credit. Now we'll see in the activity log that the credit has been added, and if we refresh, we will be able to see the new credit balance on the right. Once you click the store credit amount, it will open up for that customer's balance. So you have when the credits were updated, what the balance is, and how much of the balance will expire. You can also edit the balance here and set up the additional credits here. So that is how you add store credit to Shopify customers.